All right, so my UDL I chose is FOSS, Full Option Science System. FOSS is, let's go over here and we'll look at what FOSS is. FOSS provides teachers and students with tools and strategies to engage students in an experience that leads to deeper understanding of the natural world and the design of the world. It is for grades K through 8, and it has a lot of resources that teachers and students can use. Lays them all out for us here. We'll look through a few of them. fossweb.com is the URL. And let's see, we're going to look at cost first. I believe that's here. Cost, it depends. It's interesting. They do it based on different types of like what you need for different grades. So middle school is more expensive. It can actually get quite pricey, as it has down here, just depending on what you're looking for. This is right here when I'm showing one of the examples for a grade 4 classroom, and we're looking at energy. So it shows the different types. We have investigation 1, energy and circuits, and along with this we'll have different activities that the children get to try. There's a force of magnetism, electromagnets, energy transfer, waves, and then at the end they're going to have an assessment, and throughout the unit they'll have assessments, and they write in a science notebook, which is a really big thing with FOSS. And there's different places you can go to find out more information about this unit right here. Features that FOSS has is we have the science notebooks, taking FOSS outdoors. So this is very interactive, which is great for kids when it comes to learning, especially for the special ed students. They also have teacher like master books that they can go off of for information and the curriculum. They have web technologies for the students to use, resource databases and book lists to go along with the information. Just stuff you find all throughout these data sheets. They have newsletters, professional development, stuff for the teachers, along with all the stuff that they can use for the students. They have equipment kits that can be bought to go along with the lessons on here, and they have resource books for the children. And then we also have over here, we have some reviews. I saw pretty good reviews on the actual curriculum. The only problem is that they need to make sure that they go along with the standards that the students are teaching, or that the teachers are looking to teach the students. It doesn't seem to, depending on where this is, line up with all the standards. As far as Common Core goes, something I think they are working on that I read in their newsletter. We talked about the example in a classroom. How this connects to UDL is they actually have their principles outlined, which I found very interesting. Let me get there. They have their 3 principles for what FOSS means for them and what they're looking to accomplish. So right here, they're trying to provide multiple means of representation, give learners various ways to acquire information and knowledge, which goes along with my 3.3, sorry. As we're looking to guide information processing, visualization, and manipulation. They're doing this through the experiments and taking FOSS outdoors. They're visualizing it, they're processing it when they write in their notebooks, and manipulation when they're doing the experiments, such as the energy one we looked at. They're building things to learn about electromagnetic electromagnetism. It's hard to say. As for Principle 3, it lined up with my 3.4, maximizing transfer and generalization. Students are acquiring knowledge and being challenged and staying motivated, and this is helping them to learn this information, transfer it to other means of their education and life, and just keep them engaged. All right, and that is FOSS.